Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayeshola Gunele. Space spin-out technologies are domesticated innovations originally developed for space exploration. The focus points are as follows: spin-out technologies, benefits of spin-out technologies, examples of spin-out technologies, and demonstration of new space spin-out technologies. Spin-out, a mechanism through which intellectual property technologies and research and development activities developed within an organization, corporation, university, and research institute are commercialized has been helping in the development of new companies and evolution of various startups. The innovation process is a bi-directional activity. An inflow of external ideas is referred to as inbound or spin-in innovation, while an outflow of ideas is referred to as outbound or spin-out innovations. Through spin-out, several companies are created by divesting parties or by the company staff that previously worked on an idea, technology, and solution. Spin-in and spin-outs help organizations to create and recreate resource boundaries and to engage in ideas portfolios adjustment. On certain occasions, the spin-out technology is licensed to an existing company, which then focuses on turning the technology into a marketable product or service. Examples of spin-out technologies include divestiture of simple aircraft business to streamlining business and readiness of military projects. High-tech solutions developed by staff because of the ideas that did not create a fit with the present business focus. Identification of non-satellite communications candidate technologies that have the potential to be modified and migrated into the satellite communications market. Spin-out technologies. A technology spin-out is a process where an existing organization, such as a university or corporation, creates a new, independent company to commercialize its technology or intellectual property. The independent spin-out company is often focused on technology as its primary revenue source. NASA's collaborative invention with tool company Black Decker is shown in this picture. A spin-out company is a new independent company formed from a portion of an existing organization, often a university or large corporation, to pursue a specific business idea or technology. Unlike a full spin-off where a parent company distributes shares to existing shareholders, a spin-out is a more flexible arrangement allowing for the creation of a new company with new ownership and structure. First satellite capable of relaying TV signals was Tesla 1 and is illustrated in this picture. The primary goal of a spin-out is to commercialize the technology or IP that is being extracted from the parent organization. The spun-out company is a separate legal entity with its own ownership structure, management, and operations. Amazon teaming up with Lockheed Martin and Cisco to put Alleged Force assistant on NASA's moonship. When a spin-out company is formed, the parent organization usually enters into agreements with the spin-out, often involving licensing of the IP or other assets. Illustration of space tourism is shown in this picture. Benefits of space spin-out technology. Example benefits are accelerated commercialization, enhanced innovation, increased investment, attraction and retention of talent, improved agility and market response, and a host of others. This picture illustrates spin launch activities. Space spin-outs can quickly transform innovative technologies or intellectual property into market-ready products or services. They create a focused, independent environment which fosters development of new technologies. Spin-outs can attract investment from venture capitalists and other investors. Aircraft anti-icing and de-icing is shown in this picture. Spin-outs offer unique opportunities for employees to work in a startup environment and potentially gain equity. Spin-outs can allow the parent organization to explore new markets or technologies without as much financial or reputation risk. An astronaut with stress-resistant lenses is shown in this picture. Improved agility and market response is another benefit of space spin-out technologies. Spin-outs can quickly respond to market trends and shifts, adapting their strategies and offering accordingly. It can help to create a virtuous cycle. Spin-outs can enable flexible and strategic collaborations. Cell phone cameras, one of the spin-outs of NASA technologies, is shown in this picture. Examples of spin-out technologies. Spin-out technologies, new companies created from within existing organizations. For example, investing in an organization help to commercialize inventions or technologies developed by the organizations. Examples of spin-outs include university spin-outs like Genentech and Crucial, corporate spin-outs like PayPal, and research spin-outs like Apicon Therapeutics. The picture here illustrates current brake system technology called Dispress. University spin-outs. These companies are formed to take inventions or technologies developed in the university research labs and bring them to the market. Examples are Genentech Biotechnology, Crucial Biotech, Lycos Internet, and Plastic Logic Flexible Electronics. Discovery model unit pictured here has been deployed to rural areas in the world. Corporate spin-outs are companies created by corporations to isolate or commercialize a specific business unit. Examples are PayPal, spun out of eBay, Devi Technologies, spun out of Devi Automotive, and SPE, Hewlett-Packard Enterprises. Reasons for spin-outs can include focusing on core businesses, unlocking potential value, or creating independent entities. Close-up view of the water recovery system rack is shown in this picture. Research spin-outs are companies created from research institutions or labs, often focusing on specific technologies or innovations. Examples are Apicon Therapeutics, Plens Technologies, and Microbial Solutions. Memory foam created by NASA is shown in this picture. NASA spin-outs. NASA has a history of spin-out technologies including infrared air thermometers, ventricular assist devices, and a host of others. The Commonwealth Scientific also has spin-out companies focused on various technologies such as AI. An artist's rendition of an astronaut gathering sample on the surface of Mars is shown in this picture. Demonstration of space spin-out technologies. Space spin-out technologies demonstration showcase technologies initially developed for space exploration but repurposed for terrestrial applications. These technologies can have a wide range of benefits from improved medical devices. The European Space Agency developed a software package for modeling complex systems that is now used by water authorities to ensure drinking water safety. NASA astronaut Nicole Scott works out on a treadmill is illustrated in this picture. NASA's research on growing food in space has led to advancements in food safety technology and better farming practices. Satellite data and other space technology are used for environmental monitoring and resource management. Commercial crew vehicles such as the mock-up of Boeing CST-100 is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to Space Spin-Out Technologies, Art Domesticated Innovations originally developed for space exploration. Presented by Dr. Ayenshola Ogunile with the focus points: Spin-Out Technologies, Benefits of Spin-Out Technologies, Examples of Spin-Out Technologies, and Demonstration of New Space Spin-Out Technologies. Thank you.